Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello dear pupils! Welcome to Read Your Channel. I am Teacher Betty, your reading rescuer for the day. In the last episode, I told you how to identify the sounds of the letters and then blend together to read words. Today, I am going to show you how to produce the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. Let's start! Letter S is the 19th letter of the English alphabet. The sound of letter S is S. Here are some examples of pictures and words that have S beginning sound. See, soap, snake. I will show you some other words that begin with S and show you some pictures. I will identify each picture and read the words. So listen carefully. 6, 7, sack, seed. We are done learning and practicing the sound of letter S, that is S. Now, let's look at this letter. What letter is it? What is the sound? Letter A is the first letter and also the first vowel of the alphabet. The sound of letter A is A. A. And here are some words that have A beginning sound. A, X. A, apple. A, avocado. Now, we are going to blend these two letters together. A, 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 A. S, S, S. A, S, as, as, as. S, A, sa, sa, sa. So we are done learning and practicing the S and A sounds. We also learned how to blend the two sounds. In the next episode, we will learn another set of sounds and words. Again, I'm Teacher Betty, your reading buddy for today. See you in the next episode.